When you tell me that you love me. A few things to point out on this tune before you start learning it. It's a little bit different from National 5. The first thing to say is the tune contains a lot of double notes. For example, G and B. And also on line 2, A and C. You read the double notes from the bottom up. So for example, down here, the double notes are G and B, A and C, B and D. Okay, and page 2 there's actually some triple notes. Well, once again you read from the bottom up. This section here, for example, is EGD or EGC. It goes like this particular bar of music. Or for example, in the last line you can see BDG. BDG. While I'm on this second page, let me just point out there are some notes that are called flat notes. For example, we have an E flat here that actually then goes back to an E natural, an E normal. It's actually meant to be called an E natural, but E normal just works as well. And on the last line, you can see a B flat and an E flat. Okay, and on page 1, while I'm actually talking about these types of notes, there's actually a G sharp, which is that note there. G sharp is actually the same note as A flat, but G sharp. Okay, the repeat in this tune, you do page 2, you play to the bottom of page 2, you then go back to page 1 and you play this for the second time. And because you're playing this for the second time, you don't do the bit that says number 1 beside it, because that's only the first time. What you do is you jump from here, where you're playing this for the second time, you jump from here to here, because that's called the second time bar. So you go here, you don't play this bit, you jump to here. Although you actually can play just the start of that bit and get the same notes, but that's cheating a little bit, because you're not really reading the music properly. It's just a coincidence that's actually the same as that. Right? But what you're really meant to do is when you're on the second time, is you jump from here to here. Okay. One last thing to talk about on page 1 is watch for this bit here. This bit here is not the same. Just watch for that. Every year people make a mistake. They play exactly the same here as what they play here, but it's not. It's not. If you listen out for me, it's not. I'll shout out most of the notes. I can't shout out the double notes. For example, when there's double notes together like this, I can't shout them out because I just can't keep up with the notes. So I'll just say double notes, and then you'll need to look at the music to see which notes you have to play. Or when we get to triple notes, once again you need to look at the music or look at my keys on the keyboard to see which notes I'm playing to play that bit. But most of the time I will shout out the notes unless I forget. I sometimes forget to shout out the notes, at which point just don't think that's because you don't have to play the note. It just means that I've just forgotten. But if I'm playing it on the key, if I'm playing it there, if I'm playing it here on the keys, then you've got to play it yourself. Okay, nice and slow. And always remember on YouTube you can slow down, speed up, etc. Don't try and learn it all in the one go. Right, here we go. When you tell me that you love me, after 3. 1, 2, 3. G, 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 C, C. Rest. C, E, G, A. 2, rest. A, 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 C, C. C, F, A, double notes, G and B. B, 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 E, E. E, G sharp B, double notes, A and C. A, 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 F, G, F, G. G, 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 C, C. C, E, G, A. 2, 3. A, 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 C, C. C, F, A, double notes, G and B. B, 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 E, E. E, G sharp B, double notes, A and C. A, 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 A. F, G, F, G, double notes. E, D, D, C, D, C. C, B, B, A, B, A. A, F, E, E, D, D, C, C, B, B, double notes. E, D, D, C, D, C. C, B, B, A, B, A. A, F, E, E, D, D, C, C, B, B. B, B, C, B, C, D, triple notes. C, 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 D, E flat. C, 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 D, E normal. C, 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 D, E flat, C, double notes. 2, 3, 4, triple notes. Back to page 1 here. A, F, E, E, D, D, C, C, B, B, double notes. E, D, D, C, D, C, C, B, B, A, B, A, A, F, E, E, D, D, C, B, B. Ending.